Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the October Boxycharm. We're going to do a get ready with me. Obviously it's going to be this look. Well, not obviously, but yeah, it's going to be this look. And I'm going to show you what I got, and it's going to be hilarious. Just trust me. Because I did everything wrong in this video. And so I just want to show you that you can... I think that I've got my camera crooked. Anyways, speaking of doing everything wrong, I think my camera's crooked. So I just want to show you that it's not a big deal. You get your makeup all wrong, you can still fix it in the end and it'll look okay. So before you go, if you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe and leave me a thumbs up. Tell me what you got in your Boxycharm, or if you subscribe to Boxycharm, or what your favorite subscription is. And yeah, so... this is my Color Street nails. They glow in the dark, and I have the most fun when I go to bed at night. I just go like this in the dark because it's so cool. And when I go and I turn off the light, I'm usually like, this is from childhood, I've been scared of the dark kind of, where I don't like to turn off the light and then try to get to the bed. Because when I was a kid, I used to, do the thing where you turn the light off and you jump and leap into your bed. Well, I can't do that anymore because bed's too far away. So I usually have a flashlight, but with these glow-in-the-dark nails, these are skulls, by the way. With these glow-in-the-dark nails, I can just turn off the light, and then I can go like this and see where I'm going. Well, go like this and see where I'm going, and then I'm not scared. So anyway, that's been a fun thing I've been doing for the last week or so. I'll put my Color Street connection, I'll put it in the link below. Her thing is Glitter Woman. And anyway, so let's get started. Let's talk about Boxycharm for October, and let's see what I got. Hi guys. I'm bringing to you the Boxycharm from October 2018 this month. It is the theme of alter ego. Lace Lady is not my alter ego. It's probably the antithesis of who I am. I'm not a lace lady. But this is the Dermovia Lace Appeal Mask. It has a tube of charcoal mask in it that you put on your big pores and your oily places. And then it has two face masks that are made of this lace that you put on, and they have some compression to them. You hook it around your ear, and then you hook the neck piece up around your ear. And you leave it on for 15 or 20 minutes. What I did before this is I washed my face with a Pharmacy Green Clean. This is a cleansing balm. It's a very nice cleansing balm. It feels very moisturized. Well, you can't see it on the camera. The lights are just washing it out. It's a light green cleansing balm. It's gluten-free. Both of these products are gluten-free. Very happy about that. This is Korean skincare. Oh, this was made exclusively for Boxycharm. I didn't know that. I don't know if that means this size, it's 30 milliliters, or if it means this product in general. Anyway, I cleansed my face with the Makeup Melt Away cleansing balm, and then I put on my mask. Also, underneath my mask, I put my Peace Out Skincare Puffy eye gels up there, because I like to use those before I film. They have some caffeine in them that shrink some of the puffiness, and my puffiness is up here. Most people would wear it under here, but my puffiness is up here, so I like to put those up there. So anyway, we're just about to take this off. Let's see how it goes. I realized when I came in here to film this process and everything that I don't have brows or anything on, but you have seen me without brows before, so it's not a big deal. You see me without my brows, messy face, and then I will probably leave the camera, put on my face, my foundation and all that, and then we're gonna come back. Sorry, I readjusted. I was thinking I looked very small. I don't know. Also in my box is the IT Cosmetics Volumizing Superhero Mascara. Volumizes, lengthens, curls. It does everything except for it's not waterproof. So in the summer, I don't use this. I do use this regularly, but I don't use it in the summer because it will melt in Phoenix, 115. It'll not melt, but it'll leave dark marks. I do have one open, so I'm not going to open that right now, but I do love that mascara. Kat Von D had a liquid lipstick included in the Boxycharm this month, and her formula is one of my favorite formulas. I have quite a few of these. I got Hawkwind. It's a, well, you'll see, it's a brown red. No, it's a red and brown. It's mostly brown with a little bit of red. And this has been on my list for like 2 years, so I was really excited to get it. Final item in our Boxycharm is this palette made for Boxycharm by Pure. It's called, what is it called? Midnight Masquerade. This reminds me of Mardi Gras so much. A couple cheek colors that you can also use on the eyes. Bronzy kind of, well, it's not really a bronzer. It's a cheek color. It's a, well, I'll show you. It's kind of a shimmering orangish. Why are my lights so bright? These are the same lights I use every day. See, it's kind of a shimmering orangey color. This highlight. And then it has these 6 eye shades and a mirror. These remind me so much of Mardi Gras. I don't know, it's so cool. We're going to use those to do our face, but for right now, let's take off the mask. It says gently peel the mask in a downward motion. So I'm taking it off my ears. Ooh, whoa. Oh my gosh, that works really good. Wow. I'll bet you could rinse this out and use it again. Wow, that worked really good. I'll leave my eye patches on for a minute and just take off the rest of this. Wow, I never thought it would work that good. So now I'm going to try and figure out my lights here for a minute and stop squinting. Try to stop squinting and put on some foundation and all that. And then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've done my brows with a little Kat Von D. I really like her brow products. I like Benefit too, but this Kat Von D, it has got better colors for me, so I switched to that, and the staying power is crazy good. And so now we're going to use the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. Today I'm wearing Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, Dermaflash Concealer, Tarte Creaseless Concealer, Creaseless Cream Concealer up here. My Hourglass Powder, Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter and Cover FX Power Play mixed together, and a little JLo bronzer, and we are ready to go with the rest of it. I'm going to put a little bit of the Hard Candy Glitter Stay on my eyelids as a primer. And apparently we're doing the lid first because she wasn't thinking. She wasn't thinking. That's okay. I always did my lid first before I started YouTube, so let's see if I can still do it. This is a Crown 510. This is a flat brush. I'm going to do a halo eye. And I'm going to use this color Mask Off, which is the green. No. Yes. Okay. I'm going to put this in the middle. I'm doing everything backwards. I'm telling you, this is Mardi Gras color. So if you were dressing up as a Joker or something, you know, for Halloween, it would have been really good. Ooh, it's so pretty. Let's see what it looks like wet. Oh, look at it foiled. Girl, we are totally gonna foil this look. Ooh. Whoa. And then I'm going to put the blue here on the outside called Showtime. First I'm going to lay it down like I did this one. And then I'm going to foil it like I did the other one. I was going to do the halo eye with just the dark blue on both sides, but I think I want to use this light blue. It's called Expose, and I want to use that on the inner. And if I don't like it, I'll change. So I'm not like totally in love with it. I think I'd like the dark blue better, the Showtime. So let's go back to that. I'll fix that later. I'm going to take this brown. I'm going to use my Stilazzi crease brush because I want a really light application. Okay, I need to fix this because I'm on YouTube, but in reality I wouldn't fix this until later, so I'm just going to fix it later. Put that brown up in here, blend. It is all very mysterious and stuff, but I had planned to doing everything backwards. My plan was to start with this color, put some in the crease, put a little bit of brown in with it, do the blue, and see if I wanted to do the green on the middle. I mean, I totally started backwards. You'll forgive me, won't you? I hope. Guys. So I want a fluffy brush. Oh, maybe my Tarte brush, but I want it to be a little smaller. I'm going to take this, see what happens. I'm trying to blend out the top of this while I put on these colors into the crease. Shoot. Let's take a W23 from Esom, a little bit bigger. Let me show you the size, the W21 and the W23. W21, W23, and I'm going to put some of the highlight up under my brow. Oh, it's a champagne. Not quite bright enough for me. Let's go to cheeks for a minute. This is a Luxie brush that I got, I think, in Ipsy. I really like it for cheeks. We're going to use, again, this color. Kind of ties the whole look together. Oh, gosh, I put that too low. Oh, man. And we're going to make this a little bit more reasonable. Powder it down. Maybe I should have used my other blush brush because this didn't blend at all. I think it was me rather than the blush. I don't know. But I'm going to try some of this plummy blush with my other brush, my Real Techniques brush. See if I can salvage anything. No, my gosh. I'm going to apply a liner and I'm going to see what happens. A gel liner. I'm going to use my JLo Inglot, the black one. It's called Midnight. MAC 266 brow brush. I'm going to take a pencil brush. This is a Beauty Junkies pencil brush. This is exactly the same as MAC brush. Well, maybe a little less full. Where did I put my palette? What should we use under the eye? Let's just use this brown color. That sounded defeated. Let's just use this brown color. I wasn't defeated. I just don't know why. It sounded so funny. Wow, I got a lot of fallout that time. I haven't had any fallout yet, but this is the Wayne Goss 10. Stephanie Nicole said I needed it, so, well, she said it on her video that she recommended it, so I took it as I needed it. For jelly, it's supposed to be really good for jelly highlighters, but I'm going to use it today in this highlighter, which I don't think is a really good color for me. I think it'll show up though. Yeah, it's more golden than what I like, so I'm going to probably put something else on. Me and Natasha Denona Fair are good friends. Healthy glowy, right? I'm going to go back into my under eye highlight and use the lighter tone because I like the lighter tone up there. If it blinds like the Arctic ice, I'm okay with it. In keeping with our Boxycharm theme, I'm going to use Baddington lashes, and I think this is the pair that I got in my Boxycharm. It might not be. I might have had this pair before because it looks like I wore them, and I don't think I wore the Boxycharm ones yet. Mosquito glue, best glue in the business. It's called Lash Companion. Lightweight, non-goopy, really holds really well. Easy to get off the next day. Everything you'd ever want in a lash glue. A well thought out product. I think I'm going to put some, I don't know if that'll be good. I'll try it. Some color down here. Just going to put some color down there to sort of pull the look together. If you can pull this look together. I'm going to take a little bit of this blue and put it on the inner corner. Ice, ice, baby. Then we have our lips, which is going to be Kat Von D Hawkwind liquid lipstick. Feels like forever ago, but to you it'll be 10 minutes ago. Anyway, I'm going to use my Buxom Plump Line in Code Red first to bring out a little bit of the red. I have on my Osmotics Blue Copper Serum, lip serum that I always use before I apply lip product. It helps to plump the lips a little and it moisturizes them. So I'm going to just dab that down and then put on a little bit of liner to bring out the red of the I'm using it on its side to kind of blend it in a little bit. And I could use the brush on this end, but, you know, do different things different times. I have a lot of different application methods I like to use for different things. I'm sure you do too. So, Hawkwind, my friend. It's pretty, I like it. I enjoy the eyes because they're different and colorful, and again it makes me think of Mardi Gras, which I actually think I was in New Orleans on Mardi Gras. Either before Mardi Gras or after Mardi Gras, somewhere around there. Anyway, this is my look. This is my Boxycharm. I hope you enjoyed it. Everything was kind of a disaster, but I will probably edit this and show it to you anyway so that you can see when you mess up how you can just go on and fix it and it'll come together at the end, so don't panic. I felt panicky. Anyway, thanks for coming in, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and you're a little encouraged that when you mess up, you can fix it. It'll come together at the end. You don't necessarily need to worry and panic in the middle. You just kind of roll with it. It's just makeup. It washes off. Appreciate you coming in. I hope you'll subscribe before you go. Become part of our squad. And give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And thanks for watching. Bye.